I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
Oh God!
Bella, I literally.
You just like to let her bug you up.
Get out now!
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Not working. Chi, chi, chi. No. Gatito, gatito. No. Starden, burden, harden, bart. Yeah, German always works.
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
Hey! Hey! What the fuck? This is my house! This is my house! This is my house! What are you doing? I live here! Who are you? This is my house! This is my house! Get out of here right now! Go get out of here!
Guys, I think there's something wrong with my dog.
I no longer wish to adult. From now on, I shall remain a cozy burrito. If you need me, I will be in my fluff tortilla.
They gave my cat a perm!
Him wet. You want something to eat?
Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Get down, mate! Oh!
Sorry.
I need your help. I can't tell you what it is. You can never ask me about it later, and we're gonna hurt some people.
Whose car are we gonna take?
Don't ever eat my hair again.
So I adopted these two cats. They're both very cute. One of them has a really sweet meow. And one of them sounds like she's been smoking for the past 50 years.
Does anybody else's dog do this? Sit. Wait. Sit. Come here. If you put your hands behind their head, they use you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Those are mine. Those are mine. You're not getting them. No, 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 no. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Stop!
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I'll take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Oh my god, you're so tall, you look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean. Baked bean that. Baked bean that.
If I make this shot, your next TikTok video will have over 500,000 views. Guaranteed. No cap. Let's go! You better be TikTok famous. Ah!
Stop. Don't scroll. I have something to show you. It's my little kitty friend, Timmy. Oh, hi there, friend. How you doing?
Yeah, going 8 like